How much you want to play? How much you want to bet they playing Call of Duty? Hold on. Look at Black Thunder. Look at Black Thunder. Niggas don't want to open the door. Playing with their dicks. Look, trying to tell you. How much you
seen that shit.
I deserve a lot of money right now. I just won $1 million. I bet it myself how much I wanted to bet it was playing Call of Duty. And look at it right there. Look at it right there. I'm a genius. I'm a beast. The Fiend. Pookie. Pookie from New Jack. The real Fiend of Call of Duty. This is going up on YouTube too. I ain't fucking around. Look at the Fiend right there. Fizzle, man. Look at his tracks. Let's see the tracks, man. Let me see the tracks.